In this video, I will be showing you how to uninstall FL Studio on Windows. So let's get started. For this, just go to search and open the control panel. So type control, we'll be having this. Click on open. Here select uninstall programs. Under programs, we'll be having FL Studio. So just right click on it and click on uninstall. We'll be getting the FL Studio uninstall dialog box. Click on next, remove settings, check that and click on next. This is going to be the location. Click on uninstall. Once it is done, just click on finish. One is gone and we are having another two stuff. So just right click and select uninstall. Same thing, select next, click on uninstall. Do the same for this also. Now let's remove some unused folder. For that, go to this PC local disk C, program files. Here we'll be having image line, so we can simply delete this folder. Now after that, just go to search and type run. We'll be having the run system. Open it. Here just type %local app data %. Click on OK. We'll be taken into app data local. Here click on app data, go to roaming and we'll be having the image line folder. Delete this also. And apart from that, we'll be having the FL Studio shortcut. If you open it, we can simply click on yes. And don't forget to empty the recycle bin. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.